Hey guys, it's Summer with Summer Sweet Shop. Halloween is fast approaching, so it's time to make some Halloween cookies. Today I'm going to be showing you how to level up some simple Halloween designs using airbrushing. We're going to make this fun, spooky mummy cookie along with this adorable cat cookie. I used my sugar cookie recipe to make the cookies and decorating with my favorite royal icing. You can find both of these recipes inside my Cookie Academy Lite. That is on my website. It's my beginner online course. Check the description below to learn more. Let's get ready to cookie. So first we're going to start off with our mummy cookie here. We're going to outline it, this cookie here, in our white outline icing. So this is like a toothpaste-like consistency. And I'm using a number 2.5 tip on my icing bag. Now you're going to use your flat icing that's like a maple syrup to just fill in that whole cookie. Next, you can take your scribe and just move the icing around like so. You want to make sure that it's nice and smoothed out before you do anything else. Once you have your cookie flooded, you're going to let it dry for about 1 to 2 hours before adding any details to your cookie. So our cookie here is ready to go. And so the next thing that you want to do is we are going to use some airbrushing. So I've got my stencil that's got my thin lines, and I'm going to set my cookie just right in the middle, and I'm going to kind of angle my lines. And with black airbrush color, I'm going to do every other line on my cookie. And whenever you're doing airbrushing, you want to go slow and go in layers. You never want to just concentrate all in one spot, or you'll have puddling of the color, and that's probably not going to be what you want it to look like. Now I'm just going to lift up. You can see there I've got my lines for the start of my mummy, and then I'm going to just angle it the other way, turn it the other way, and go. Now it doesn't matter really, you know, it's a mummy's got like wraps and everything, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to do the same technique. I'm going to go every other line for this mummy. You can have a fun, cute technique. It doesn't require a lot of icing. It can go pretty fast, so these are great for holiday orders that you might be selling to customers. So you're going to lift up, and there is your mummy. And now we're going to take our outline icing, we're going to add some eyes to our mummy, and of course eyebrows. He's going to have some eyebrows. So I'm just going to do 2 big dots here with my black. So I like to do a puff there, and I'm just going to smooth it out with my scribe, and just want to make sure that they're the same size. And I'm going to add 2 white dots, and that's just going to give it a nice look there. And then with that same outline icing, we're going to add some eyebrows. So there's our mummy. Oh, I forgot one more thing. With our airbrushing is you want to airbrush around the edge, so you can see the difference in these two. Here, you want to airbrush some black around the edge. So I'm just barely squeezing on my airbrush gun and just barely pulling back. But I'm just adding just a little bit. It's going to be just enough to give it some texture. On my cookie. Like so. So there's your mummy. And next we've got our kitty cats. So we're going to outline our kitty cat with our gray outline icing. I'm going to start right here at the top. And you're going to outline, again, this is with outline consistency with a number 2 or 2.5 tip. And then you're going to flood. Working your way around. And I just go in a circular motion. And then you want to do his ears. I'm just using my bag. All right, and you want to let that dry for about 1 to 2 hours. And then you'll come back to this. And then we are going to do some airbrushing around the edge. So we're just going to add some detail with that, just kind of like we did at the end with the mummy. And just to add some detail there. And then we're going to do his ears with the edible marker. You don't have to do them with the edible marker. You can, I think I'm going to do them with my outline icing. Like so. Could do them either way with an edible marker or with your flood icing. Or your outline icing for this case. Just using outline icing and smoothing it out quickly. And then adding 2 dots for the eyes. You want to have some pretty big, since his face is pretty wide. And you want to try and get them close to the same size as possible. In fact, I think I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to add, just like I did with the mummy, I'm going to add the 2 little and then I'll add, we'll do his eyebrows. I'm going to add some pink for his nose. And you're just going in a teardrop formation. And then add some whiskers with your edible marker. This one is from Food Doodler on Amazon. And I love it. So there you have your cat and your mummy. Super, super cute designs and super fun and easy way to add some fun texture and details to your Halloween cookies. Thanks so much for joining me for some fun and spooky Halloween cookie decorating. If you aren't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button below so that you can get notified when I have any new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.